The most successful manufacturing companies are employing chief sustainability officers to coordinate their strategy for reducing environmental impact. In this series of short videos, aPriori is investigating the role of chief sustainability officers and the challenges they face. Subscribe to aPriori's channel to make sure you get the next video in the series. A chief sustainability officer is responsible for a company's sustainability goals and the steps necessary to achieve them. Chief Sustainability Officer's first job is to set goals for the company on energy usage, greenhouse gas emissions, and net carbon in the product lifecycle. Their next job is to execute, which can be difficult when negotiating with department leaders on cost targets. aPriori helps them get the job done by demonstrating the exact cost and carbon impact of each product decision. To learn more, visit apriori.com/sustainability. And don't forget to click on the link below to subscribe to get the next video in this series.